Welcome to the Polished Phoenix, the home of nail art, product reviews, tips and tricks and more.
Hi everyone, welcome to something a little different today. So Auntie Hilary is, giving me a hand and she is going to have some acrylics on. So I thought I would do a set of acrylics with a design on that I would generally do when I was working on clients. So this is kind of like a salon friendly. The acrylic I'm using is Nail Couture Salmon Pink, I think it is. It's a really nice nude colour. And that's going to be on 3 of the nails. Obviously, she's only got 4 fingers. The little finger, middle finger and pointer finger. Excuse me. I'm going to do a glitter on the ring finger. And obviously all filing and things like that will be done off camera because I have to take her nails out. I really do need a real pair of hands to do a set of acrylics on for the video. Anyway, the glitter is called I Do and it is packed with hexes of glitter. Sorry if you can hear my dog growling. It's from, it's Glitter Armour, but she's now called Aimeili Nail Systems. I got a mystery box of coloured acrylics and things like that for 20 quid, I think it was, because she's getting rid of all the acrylics she had in old packaging. Excuse me. Now, the one thing I didn't do was, if you're doing this on a person, before you put the glitter on, do a thin layer of clear acrylic underneath and then do the glitter on top. I mean, like I say, this glitter is absolutely jam-packed with loads of pearly hexes in there. So it is just a case of getting quite a runny bead if possible. So you've got time to move all of the glitters around. Like there, I had some that was sticking up, so I had to squash it down. So how are we all anyway? Does anybody want to see more things like this, like salon friendly? On the glitter, how many times have I said so I've got the clear acrylic, and then these are, what was it called? Goddess flakes or something like that from Sparkle Supplies. I got them as a freebie. Oh my god, they're gorgeous. I have a code for Sparkle Supplies as well. Phoenix 15, get you 15% off. And I'm just doing a thin coat of quite wet clear acrylic over the top of that glitter, and then I'm quickly picking up those little flakes and I'm just setting them on top of that wet clear acrylic. So when that sets, they ain't gonna move when I go over and cap it with the clear. Obviously when you're doing a glitter you do need to cap it for when you're filing, and the clear is what is going to give you your strength on the nail, because that glitter is not. So they're all filed, and I'm going in now with the MelodySusie base coat. Now, when you're doing acrylics, if you file the acrylic and you don't buff it, so you've got a nice rough surface, you probably don't need a base coat, but I did buff them so they were extra smooth. So I'm now applying the base coat because that will make sure the gel polish that I put on won't chip or peel away. It will give it a bit more adhesion. That's the word. That's a long word for me today. On the middle finger then, I'm doing a coat of this purple. Oh, I absolutely love this purple. It's one of my Shay J colour bottles. I'm never going to be able to complete the collection by the looks of it. I'm so sad. I was so excited thinking I could finish it off, but not that I need any more polishes. But I will be doing 2 coats of this, obviously curing in between for 60 seconds. So we've got the 2 coats on. and I'm just going to get some white. I've got some, this Born Pretty, it's the Hema Free one. It's really, I love it. The white and the black from the Hema Free are a lot thicker than the normal, what do you call it? Silky White series. So these for painting are brilliant. Another note to self, don't make the same mistake as me. When you do wipe off the tacky layer of the gel polish for you to paint on top of, dry it before you paint on, because alcohol just makes the gel polish separate. So I suppose it's a good way this isn't a real person. That would have been embarrassing, wouldn't it? Dear me. But yeah, we get there in the end. So you've got like the one swoosh going down. I'm going to do another swoosh going up. And I do fix the lines and smooth them out, straighten them up and things like that off camera. But this, like I say, this would be the type of design that I would have done on a client who'd come in and they'd had builder gel or acrylic, short or long, do you know what I mean? So I'm thinking of like doing a little series of, I'll show you pictures maybe of some client photos of the nails that I've done, and I'll recreate them, show you how I did it. Would anybody be interested in that? I understand if not, because when you're doing salon friendly nails, obviously it's more time efficient than, you know, if I was to do like the sort of art or designs they do on press-ons, the person would just be sat in that chair for hours, absolute hours. Now the white has been cured, I'm going over with this laser, super laser it's called, from Born Pretty, and oh my goodness, the amount of glitter this polish has got in it. It's just all multicoloured silver iridescent beautifulness in a bottle. And I'm just doing a thin layer in the middle of the white lines, and then I will do a thin line in between where we've done the white. Do you know what? I mean, it's been that long since I've done anything in this sort of design, and you know, holding a hand, although it being a fake hand, don't tell her I said that. But yeah, it's weird, you know, like it's so much easier on those little stands, isn't it, on the tips, because you can, I don't know. I was trying to do it as if I was holding a client's hand, how I used to. And the poor, whoever it would have been like pulled all over the place, wouldn't he? But that reflective glitter, oh my days, it's gorgeous. So pointer and little finger, I'm just doing a French with the purple. I only do one coat of the purple for the French because I'm going to go over it with the super laser. Now that super laser, if you're looking for a glitter polish which is perfect for Christmas, that is it. It is, it's just so sparkly, and like you could do it as a full cover over a colour because it's got a transparent background, or you can do it for art or any art. Honestly, it's brilliant, and it is quite thick. It does have a lot of glitter in it, so a little does go a long way. I could not recommend that one enough. I do really love that. So here we go, faffing like a champion to do the French, because it's weird doing a French this way. I'm going to get me French brush, I call it, dipped in some acetone, and I just find this brush is just so nice just to swoop round, clean up that line and get it nice and crisp. And then I'll do the French on the little finger. So they're done, and now I'm just going to go around with that super laser on the French line. I got my brush stuck in my little drawer, so the bristles are all sticking out everywhere, but I went with it. We got there. And I'm just going to like pull it down so it's like a little fade like, I don't know, like icicle sort of fade. I don't know, what am I even saying? I have no idea. And I'm going to do that on the little finger as well. Oh, right, actually, I'm just going to move and we will do some member shout outs, because I do have membership on my channel and we've only got a few minutes left, so I definitely want to give them a shout out because they are amazing. So we have, oh, look how pretty they are. And then I'm doing a snowflake. So while you're watching that, I'm going to waffle about me members. So we have the amazing Phyllis Phalanges. Now, if you're not subscribed to this girl, you need to go over. She is absolutely brilliant and she has an amazing cock. That's all I'm saying. So go check it out. She's brilliant. I will link these channels in the description box below so you can go and see. Then we have the gorgeous Celtic Nails. She's just beautiful inside and out, and you need to go check her out. I know she's not done many videos as of late, but the videos that she has done are fantastic, and the Back to the Future nails were my absolute fave. And we have Dee. Dee is over in America and she does some stunning designs. Her Halloween ones were just unreal. And she recently done a, what was it? Member spotlight for the lip smacking nails for Phyllis Phalanges, and the cock that she I can't do this, that she drew was absolutely amazing. So definitely go check her out. Like I say, I will tag all three of them down below so you can go and see them, and you will subscribe because they are amazing. And if you're here and you like my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please do think about it. I would really appreciate it. I'm coming up to 1,000 and I'm going to be having a big, huge giveaway. So you need to make sure that you're in it to win it, I suppose, isn't it? Anyway, so we've just got some little bits of bling. A little rhinestone in the middle of the snowflake. One in the middle finger. The middle of the middle finger. And one on the little finger. I'm just going in now with my MelodySusie top coat. This is the HEMA-free ones. Absolutely brilliant. If you do think about shopping on MelodySusie, Born Pretty, Varnail, Vettsy, Sparkle Supplies, I've got codes in the description box, so make sure you check it out because you could save yourself some pennies. And with Christmas coming up, we need as many as we possibly can get. I love this, you know, when you top coat over a glitter and it just sort of all comes to life. It's brilliant. It's so pretty. My dog's looking at me like I'm a weirdo now because he was talking to me and I wasn't talking back to him. And I hope you've enjoyed it. So let me know what you think of the idea of, you know, salon friendly designs. My acrylic will get better. I haven't done it for so long, but I appreciate you all being here. Let me know what you think. Come and say hi in the comments. And I love you all loads and loads. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.